On May 9th, the Social Security Administration finalized yet another rule that they say continues to remove barriers to people accessing SSI payments. The rule is called Expand the Definition of a Public Assistance Household, and it was published in the Federal Register back on April 19th. This is the third major update to SSI in the last 2 or so months, and the administration says more changes are still coming. Now, as you know, SSI provides monthly payments to adults and children with disability or blindness, or adults age 65 and older who have limited income and resources, and it helps pay for basic needs. People applying for and receiving SSI must meet eligibility criteria, including income and resource tests. What the administration has been doing lately is working with that income calculation, determining what should count as in-kind support and maintenance. And this new rule changes some of those calculations. It actually changes the definition of public assistance household, whose income is deemed to that SSI beneficiary, and what kind of public benefits are being counted in that house. Let's talk about the public benefits part first. Before, the Social Security Administration defined a public assistance household as a household in which every member of the house received assistance from at least one of a list of programs. And we show on the screen that listing of qualifying programs. The part of the rule that changes the public benefit definition is it adds food support to that program. SNAP benefits or FoodShare or food stamps, however they are called in your state. Now let's talk about the other people in the house. Now, like we said, that original rule said every person had to be part of that public assistance household. That meant all household members had to be getting that public benefit. If they weren't, then their resources were used against the recipient. And the new rule changes that. It says, get rid of that every member definition and instead say any other. That means at least one other person in addition to the SSI recipient is part of the public assistance household. And the agency said that change was needed. Changing the definition means the agency will no longer need to deem income from ineligible spouses or parents who live in the same house. They won't need to deem the value of SNAP benefits either. Essentially, like we said, fewer sources of income from fewer people in the house will be used against a member when calculating their income. The expanded definition will allow more people to qualify for SSI. It will increase some SSI recipients' checks amounts. It will reduce reporting burdens for individuals living in public assistance households. It will ease administrative burdens on the Social Security Administration, and the change takes effect September 30th, 2024. In a statement, the Social Security Commissioner, Martin O'Malley, said, "I'm committed to making systemic changes to help people access the critical benefits they need, including SSI." And he continues, "By simplifying our policies and including an additional program geared toward low-income families, such as the SNAP benefits, we are removing significant barriers to accessing SSI. And these changes promote greater equity in our programs." You can read that final rule. We link to it in the description below.